Hey you guys, what is up? It's your girl Nay and I'm back at it again with another video. So as you guys probably saw by the title, I freaking moved to LA. Like, if you guys know me or have been following me for a while, I am from Vegas. That's where I've lived predominantly. I did live in Arizona for 4 years, but I officially have moved to LA. Oh my gosh. And I'm currently inside of my apartment. So I'm gonna do a quick empty apartment tour for you guys so we can, get moving. It is actually hot today. It's 78 degrees today. It's hot, it's warm. So but I do want to show you guys this quick little studio apartment tour for you guys. I already got like one suitcase in here already, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Before we get started, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Nay. If you're not new here, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing good today, and let's get this video rolling because it's hot and I'm ready to get this stuff moved. All right, you guys, so when you first come through the front door, there is this really cool like little entryway. It's a little small one, and literally to your right is the closet. So the closet, the only thing I would say about this studio is that I wish it was a walk-in closet, but this closet is actually pretty long. It goes really, really far down. And I like that this closet has built-in like drawers and like little things to like, just to hang your clothes. So I really like that. So across from the closet is the bathroom. So the bathroom is like super freaking spacious. Y'all, I love this bathroom. I love the walls, like the little marble walls in the bathroom. And this mirror is freaking crazy. Like, this mirror is huge. Right here is the medicine cabinet. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. It's not much storage in the bathroom, and then you have your under sink. The sink is small though, but overall it's like super cute. But I'm like in love with this freaking shower, y'all. And this tub, look how deep it is. Super cute. So that's pretty much the bathroom. It's really nice. And then this is a studio, but I love that it has a wall here. So this technically is the bedroom area right here, which is super cute, and it's actually really wide. Like, let me see if I can get a better angle. You can't really even get a better angle, but it's pretty wide. It'll definitely fit my bed and some other stuff in here. And then right here in this closet, you have the washer and dryer, which if you know about LA, you gotta have an in-unit washer dryer. And then of course, has central AC and stuff. There's the nest for the AC and the heater. And then you walk here, and this is the living room area and kitchen. Super, super cute. This is the kitchen. Yeah, I absolutely love the kitchen. Now, when you look at this, you're like, where the hell is your fridge and all that stuff? Y'all, look, everything is built in. So freaking cute. So that's the fridge. Everything's European style, so it's pretty small. And this is the freezer. Pretty cute. She's cute. And y'all, look, a gas stove. Apartments do not be coming with gas stoves anymore, y'all, so I'm so freaking excited about this. Yeah, I have the gas stove, and then you have the cute little oven. Literally, I mean little, but it's so cute. And I love the deep sinks, y'all. Super, super cute. And then of course you gotta have this, you know, I love having this. This is like essential. And then this right here is the dishwasher. Like everything is like all built in. It's so freaking cool. And then the microwave is right here. I've never seen a microwave down below. You usually always see it like up above the stove, but it's cool, it's down here. And then this little gift that they gave us, super cute. And then y'all, my favorite part of this freaking studio, which is what made me like fall in love with it, is it comes with a freaking balcony. And this is my view, y'all, like super cute. The balcony is huge. Let me see. Close the door. Yeah, the balcony is like super duper like big. It's nice. And get a little bit of the city, but yeah, oh my god, y'all, this view is like, all right, y'all, that will pretty much conclude this MD apartment tour. It's a studio, so it's straight to the point, super cute, super sweet. Love it so much. I'm so excited, you guys. Yeah, I'm just so excited to bring you guys along with me on this journey of living in LA and things to do in LA, and just, you know, just having fun, and just y'all seeing me just grow and expand. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.